Blending everyday practicality with electrified efficiency, this is the all-new Q5 Hybrid. First, its iconic Audi design, the bold single-frame grille, modern LED lighting, sculpted body lines, and the SUV stance that give the Audi Q5 presence wherever it goes. The Audi Q5 Hybrid combines a turbocharged gasoline engine with an electric motor to provide smooth, efficient performance. Enjoy instant electric torque, seamless acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, perfect for city commutes and long highway drives. Step inside and you're welcomed by Audi's digital stage featuring the latest Audi MMI, ambient lighting, comfort seating, luxurious material all around, while being a perfect size for everyday driving.